thumbs up to the government for positive steps taken, and it's an opportunity and a ray of hope for all the prospective entrepreneurs to enter into this manufacturing and service sector. As a lot of benefits have been given to MSME sector, the government has been giving push right from the beginning, and we see two things majorly coming up. One is 3% purchase from women entrepreneurs. So that is going to give a big boost for women entrepreneurs to be a part of this Make in India movement. Second aspect is 59 minutes loan. It has become a big hit. In fact, initially there were a lot of apprehensions raised, but now with the passing of days, we have seen that good amount of people going for this 59-minute loan.
The real estate industry or the builders, one point to be happy about is the notional rent on the inventory is going to be exempt not from 1 year to 2 years.
And I'm very happy that for the first time someone has laid out a direction for the future that expresses the confidence of the government, as also focus on the future. So from Chamber side, I commend the Finance Minister again, both as a chartered accountant, for the unique feat that has been happening, as well as for the kind of vision that he has laid down for the purpose of the country.
मोदी सरकाराच्या अंतरिम बजेटाक मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकारान ट्वीट करून येवकार दिलो.
ओके, काल हे जालें पळय त्या प्रमाणे आमी पळयलें जाल्यार आमचे गोंयकारांक मेजर म्हाज्या पार्टार हांवें विचार केल्ले म्हाका एग्रीकल्चर पार्ट, एग्रीगेशन, PWD हे 2-3 गोष्टी ज्यो आसा तेजी रिक्वायरमेंट्स जे आमकां आसा त्या प्रमाणे बजेट जे आज दाखयलें आसा तें ओके आसा अशें म्हाका दिसता. सो ताजे पासून आमी म्हणजे सामान्य मनशाक पळय कितें आसा दिलासो मेळटलो. स्पेशली एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटांतल्यान बी खुबसो हे आसात इम्पॉर्टन्स गोश्ट आसा बजेटाची, तेजेर बी ताणें हें केल्लें आसा. So I welcome.
Union budget will take India forward. This is what I feel, because so I welcome the budget mainly because it helps the middle class with the tax exemption going up to 5 lakhs, and the farmers community, the small farmer, will be given incentives. आता डायरेक्टली जो 2 हेक्टरा परस कमी जमीन आहा ताका 6,000 रुपया इन 3 इंस्टॉलमेंट्स डायरेक्टली ताच्या अकाउंटान ट्रान्सफर जाता. हातून सरकाराचे 75,000 कोटी वतले, पण 12 कोटी शेतकऱ्यांक हाजो फायदो जातलो. शेतकऱ्यांक जेन्ना फायदो जाता तेन्ना एज अ एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर आय हॅव टू वेलकम दीस बजेट.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.